Traffic Express is anxious. Readies. And they're off. Out wide, Disco Man wins the break. Lunch Break is away with speed today. Kinani and Tiz a Golden Rocket drive it through as they run out of the chute. It will be Tiz a Golden Rocket and Medina to put ahead in front. Disco Man is on the outside with Lunch Break between horses. They work 5 ahead of Kinani, who's racing from 4th, but the top 3 tear away down inside that Salute and Serve ahead of Traffic Express, and the trailer is My What About Me. Down the backstretch they go, 3/4 of a mile to run. And up front, the leader is Tiz a Golden Rocket. On the drop-in class, leads fellow class dropper Lunch Break, who races 2nd. Disco Man is 3rd. He's already given the wake-up call by Ruiz. He's about 4 lengths behind. He works 3.5 better than Kinani, who tries to get a move on. Rest are strung out after that. Salute and Serve, Traffic Express, and My What About Me. Field separated by at least 15 as they round the far turn. The top 2 go on with it. Tiz a Golden Rocket leads by a length. Lunch Break is 2nd. 4 lengths back to Kinani running on 3rd. Disco Man has called it an afternoon. Here's Traffic Express into 4th and trying to move forward for 5/16 to run. My What About Me is now out of last, and the trailer is Salute and Serve, and the leader is Tiz a Golden Rocket. Medina has Tiz a Golden Rocket 1.5 to the good off the top of the turn. Lunch Break is flat to the board 2nd. Vasquez has Kinani running a bit now. He's trying to run on from the back with 1/8 of a mile to go. Tiz a Golden Rocket shortening up a bit on the outside, and Lunch Break 2nd. Kinani is 3rd. He's 2.5 lengths off the lead as Lunch Break just hit the lead. Lunch Break in deep stretch. He's driven hard, but he's in front, and Lunch Break will win it. Tiz a Golden Rocket 2nd. Kinani 3rd. Well clear of Traffic Express 4th in today's 5th race. Exacta 16.80, Trifecta 21.95, Superfecta 95.50, $9.55 for a dime. High Five got hit for $331.10. The double $33.20. Pick 3 $16.30. The early pick 4 $132.40. Early pick 5 $1,010 and a nickel. 4 out of 5 $14.30.